Hi everyone, I'll show you how to check your closing report and properly close the day in shortcut before shutting down your salon. To open the closing report, click on the green button in the bottom bar or simply press F5 on your keyboard. Here you can click on Print X report, print a full summary of today's sales. This will show you today's sales, total sales, breakdown of payments like in cash or bank, and item-wise detailed reports. Once you've reviewed everything, it's very important to click on close date. This confirmation message will appear. You have to click on yes. This step is necessary because it ends the current shift and prepares the system for a fresh start the next day.